We are in Beppu, which is a onsen hot springs town in Oita Prefecture, which is in the southern island of Kyushu in Japan. And we are staying at a resort called Amane Resort Gahama. This is a room on the top floor, 10th floor. And T102 is the exact room. And you enter, it's a big entryway. Quite modern architecture and interior decor and furnishings. So this Amane Resort Gahama is a luxury onsen resort with just 17 rooms. There is a sister resort a couple minutes walk away called Amane Resort Seikai, which is similar in caliber to this. So in this resort, there's by the way, here's a very spacious closet and powder room. You can see that it's winter, so they've prepared heavy coats for us if we want to walk outside. You can see there's a drawer with yukata robes, as well as what they call samue, which are more like, not pajamas, but they used to be the type of clothes that Buddhist monks used to wear when they were working, but not meditating. So you can wear that throughout the property, even during meals. Anyway, so this 17 rooms, most of the rooms are in a tower, like the one we're at. There's a couple of detached villas. The reason we did not select that this time is because we are on a multi-generational family trip where we have several groups of people here with us this time. And it'd just be nice to be connected via elevator in one building. So this is kind of a Japanese style tatami floored, tatami matted room. I guess it's a good place to contemplate whatever you want to contemplate. The meaning of life, or what did I do to deserve to stay here at this resort. Anyway, so actually, you know what? Before we go here, let's turn back around and explore the main living area. So this is a special room, or tokubetsu shitsu, means it's the highest grade room. Now, as far as I understand, all rooms in this tower are 90 square meters, extremely expansive, but they're laid out differently, and also they have different views. This is the top floor, so you have unobstructed views of the bay as well as the ocean, as you can see here. We are here in February, so it's not something that I'm not going to spend too much time lounging around out here. And it's a little bit of a gray sky, so, but it's still nice. You have the utmost of privacy. So this is so this room, as you saw, has really nice entranceway, nice closet, big terrace. You'll see some more later. But this one has the bedroom and living room kind of combined in a junior suite type layout. There's other rooms here, like my nephew and niece's family, where they're separate. So there's a separate living area from a dining area, as well as kind of the Japanese style tatami room. So again, depends on your preference. I'm staying here alone this time, so this room works well, but if I was with a significant other, it might be good to have separate rooms in case someone wants to take a nap while the other is working or watching TV. And then this is the mini bar and coffee maker, tea. There's tea bags up here. You can see more of the view from here, although it's better from the terrace. You can see some of the other parts of the resort. There's some detached villas down there. So let's come around. So Beppu is supposedly is the place in Japan that has the most flowing hot springs, or they say onsen in Japan, natural mineral onsen water that flows around in all of Japan. And that makes sense because Japan is a very volcanic and earthquake prone place. And so anywhere you dig, there's hot springs, although the quality of the hot springs that's suitable for actually bathing for both physical healing purposes and otherwise, it has to be a certain type of composition of the minerals. But anyways, Beppu is known to have among the best, as well as the most volume of free-flowing hot springs in all of Japan, which is saying something. Anyway, so this is the wash basin, the big one. And then, so if you come here, most people come here for the hot springs. There's other things to do here, but the star attraction is the hot springs. There are communal baths, which are really nice here. But one of the benefits of staying here, and this is not the only place in Beppu, but you got a natural, free-flowing, straight from the source onsen bath. And so it's never recirculated. So all the water hot springs water that's being pumped in here is coming from the source. And then this room actually has also a jacuzzi next to it. You can turn on the bubbles by pushing a button. To me, it's not a big deal. Some people like kind of a jacuzzi hot tub, chill out in. But when you're in Japan and you have onsen like this, I don't see the purpose of it. Anyway, so Beppu is in Oita Prefecture. It's about 40 minutes from Oita Airport, which you can get to from train or more conveniently by plane from Tokyo, Haneda, or Osaka, or Nagoya airports. So anyways, this is pretty modern, but it has kind of the Japanese elements. So you kind of get the best of both worlds, where there's comfort, technology, convenience. It's not run down in any way. Pretty stylish place. So we're going to be staying here for 2 nights. Hopefully it'll be a good one, and hopefully the meals are good, and everything else about it is going to be a memorable one. Anyway, so this is Amane Resort Gahama in Beppu in Oita Prefecture in the southern island of Kyushu in Japan, a renowned place for onsen bathing, and this is one of the better known luxury ryokans in the area. Hope you enjoyed it.